Lesson 21. It's raining cats and dogs. Contents. It snows. It rains a lot. It seems dangerous. It doesn't snow. The flocks seem. The weather is so wet. I certainly don't enjoy it. I prefer a sunny day. We have snow. We also have some sunny days. We also have summer storms. We have hurricanes and twisters. What's the weather like? To fall below freezing. If the storm lasts all night. There is snow coming soon. The mud. The weather. Dropping to. The Met Office has issued a yellow warning, power cuts and travel disruption. The temperatures are dropping to. Without power, electricity. Without water. It's cold, wet, and sometimes windy. It's raining cats and dogs outside. It's snowing. It's falling heavily. It's coming down. It's only raining now. It's so rainy.